I'm with Micah Wilson from Simply Home.
Good afternoon. Good
Thank
afternoon.
you for
Pleasure to
being
be here.
here.
Same.
So, what plumbing issues were you experiencing before you contacted leak experts, and how were they affecting your property?
Oh man. Actually, I called leak experts. We had a main water line leak, and the water was coming from the outside of the bib area and protruding into my living room area.
Oh no.
Had someone not been home and able to catch the actual leak at the time, would have flooded my whole living room. So we're able to stop the leak, isolate the leak, call the leak experts, got me squared away.
What made you choose leak experts over other plumbing companies for your mainline and repipe replacement?
So one of the main things that for my choice of decision of going with leak experts was quality over the quantity, right? I did had several quotes and several bids, and their prices couldn't be beat, and the quality of the service, the technician came in and knew their job, was experienced, and was able to just give it to me straight so they can get the job done and get us the house back operating as soon as possible. So.
Can you walk us through your experience working with the leak experts team?
Absolutely. So the experience from the beginning conversation of just explaining what was wrong on the phone, John took care of me and explained everything and gave me a true estimate of what's to come and the services that would be provided. Everything from isolating from the main line to the work that will be done inside of the home, and really is just the experience and, like I said, the quality over the quantity. And you can call anybody, but hey. Go straight to the leak experts when you got a problem.
As a real estate professional, how important is it to have a good plumber in your pocket?
Oh man. So one of your top three partners, if you will, right? You got to have an AC guy, a
Yeah.
roof guy, and definitely a plumber. And so building this partnership was important for me. And that's how we do business, right? A referral network that you got a leak, call the expert. So you need a house, call the expert.
Would you recommend leak experts to other homeowners or realtors? If so, why?
Yeah, 100%. I definitely call the leak experts if you guys have any problems. Like I said, it's the quality, the service, professionalism, and they'll get you back up and running as soon as possible. Thanks a lot, leak experts. So we got our water back running and the house back to normal. So thank y'all. Hey, good afternoon. This is Michael Jarrell with Simply Home. I'm here with the leak expert. So, I'm a realtor here in Las Vegas. And any of you guys, if you have any plumbing issues, they're the one to call. If you have anyone that's looking to buy a home, sell a home, give me a holler, work together, and talk to you soon.